Hello my gorgeous friends on the internet. Today I will discuss the
6 thing that makes your toilet smell bad.
and what you can do to rectify it.
1.
Poor ventilation. Firstly, be aware that we have mechanical and natural ventilation, but many at the time people overlook the importance and benefit of ventilation for aesthetics. Well, where they are low or no vent there are a high possibility of foul odor. In that case, what should you? Ensure openings in the toilet, make provision for the extractor and any other mechanical means of ventilation.
2.
Wrong piping system. Many at the time workers don't know the system and the effect of the piping system they adopt. Fewer people know this secret that we have combine and single stack piping system and its effect. Using a combined system of piping without bottle traps mostly cause bad or foul smell in the toilet.
3.
Inappropriate maintenance. We have preventive and protective maintenance and many other types that will not be mentioned. The best one should be adopted to ensure all the edge, covers and corners of WC, basin bidet, zinc and shower are washed with soft tinning brushes to prevent stinking and bacteria's accumulations.
4.
Broken seal. Ensure you carry out a smoke test, or check with any related method if there are any leaking part along the soil pipeline.
5.
Insufficient gradient, blockages. Check if your septic tank is blocked or full. Also, check if the pipe gradient is okay.
6.
Inability to retain water. Sweat droplets. Did you know this fact that retains water in water closet both functions as a sieve or help in preventing foul in the toilet? There are some types of waterless sanitation WC, scouting or leaking WC, that can naturally cause odor especially when it is not well vent. In order not to miss this valuable information, considering subscribe, click the bell symbols, then click all notification. You can also like, share and comment below for more topics you want us to discuss. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next videos.